Wiring a cart can be difficult. It takes time to unravel cords that look like this. But with the right technology in place, your wiring experience can be easy. Step 1. Remove the back panel. To do this, simply insert the key, turn it, pull it out, and lift the back panel off of the cart. Step 2. Plug in power adapters. To do this, plug in the wire to the outlet and store the adapter in the compartment below. Take the leftover wire and feed it through to the front of the cart. Step 3. Cable the wire onto the cart. To do this, pinch together the cord, insert it into the left side of the CableBoss, and push over to the right. Do this starting in the back of the cart and work your way forward. Step 4. Confirm cable length. Ensure that each cable is long enough to reach a device port, but short enough that it will not get confusing between bays and cable distribution. Now, you are ready to deploy devices quickly and efficiently with the Bretford CableBoss Wiring System.